Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and I am in an attic today, and it's not hot, it's just very humid. Outside is cloudy, but it's very humid. So you can see I'm probably sweating. My pants are sweating, so we're changing out a motor for a customer. There is where it goes. Here is the new one, and that is the old one. And this is what I have to work with. Here's the attic light. So after we get that done, she'll be up and running and another happy customer. Okay, so call us for all your AC, heating, and refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. The number is 512-448-0532. Okay, thanks guys, see you in the next video.